Yeah, g'day, it's Anthony here from TAGSBM, and today I just wanted to talk to you about how we're simplifying the training platform and more associated to crane lifting and equipment. Now I've got Mark Boys here today with me, and g'day Mark.
G'day Anthony, how are you going?
Not too bad, thanks Mark, not too bad.
Good.
Listen Mark, I know that you've been out doing some training yesterday for some new people, and I'm just wondering if you could tell us how that got on, just a bit of a general.
It was pretty good. We went out there and we trained, there was 3 guys and safe operating procedures of how to use a red monorail crane.
Okay, and what sort of a load was it that we might have been talking about there?
The loads were different, they're inconsistent, so you probably got a load around about 1.5 tons and then up to the higher end scale, which is the monorail scale of 4 tons. So
okay, yeah.
Two different entities, 2 different weights, so yeah, a little bit tricky.
You say 2 different weights. Is there were we talking about a production environment, or are we talking about a little bit more of a jobbing? So there's a variation of lift style.
More of a jobbing, and they'd probably just lift this day out one and then put another one in, and then run the production through that for the day, and then maybe change another one for the next day. But
okay.
So,
and what about the experience of the existing operators? Is this a new crane for them, or is it a sort of just a training platform to start with?
Yeah, no, it's a brand new crane system. So I mean, these guys are pretty green and got no experience at all with this piece of equipment. So yeah.
Yeah, okay. And how did they feel at the end of the training?
Yeah, look, it was positive feedback from all 3 of the guys. They really felt that they got a lot of knowledge from myself, giving them a lot of encouragement when there was lifting and things.
Okay.
So yeah, no, it's very good feedback from the guys, and they enjoyed it.
Fantastic. And how long were you out there for?
Yeah, we was there all day. We basically started off with some practical up on the whiteboard, a few diagrams and how to lift correctly and chain selections and stuff. So, and then we went back down and did the physical practical on the factory floor and did a few lifts and made sure they were comfortable before we left.
So it's sort of like it's been around about a half-day training. How many people was that with?
That was just with 3.
3 of it. Yeah.
I mean, we can do up to the capacity of 5 or 6 in a room.
So, yeah. So is there anything there that might sort of an awareness like is out of 10? What would you consider the risk to be associated to what they were lifting, the way that they had to lift, and the amount of variation that could be around that consistent or inconsistent lifting style?
Yeah, look, prior to us going out there, I developed a risk assessment in and around this piece of plant and equipment, so I'd already evaluated what were the potential risks in there, but certainly for this piece of equipment, it's really up there as a level from 1 to 10. I'd say it'd be an 8 or a 9 because these things can and will and have injured people, so yeah, you've got to have.
So am I right? Am I right, Mark, in what I've just heard you ask also, is that you've actually gone in earlier and you've